You're watching Ashiro Now Sudan. Today I'd like to take you through how I use my thyme to make herbal tea. Stay tuned and find out more. Thyme is a special herb to grow, and it's very easy to grow. It has so many health benefits that you can't imagine. It has a lot of vitamin A and vitamin C. It's also commonly used for throat infections and it's very, very rich in antiseptic. So many people use it to fight bacteria. So it's a very, very good herb to have in your garden. And when you have it in your garden, you can always make the specialties. So today I'm going to teach you how to make this special tea I always drink. So this tea is made from boiling water and some thyme, and you can use a spoon of honey, or you can also add some lemon if you prefer. Once you've harvested all your herbs, get 5 stems of your thyme and put it in a teapot. Here I'm using a glass teapot. I've put 5 stems for 2 cups of tea. So I'll pour my boiling water onto those stems and cover the teapot until it steams, and when it's steamed for around 1 to 2 minutes, I'll pour myself my lovely cup of tea, and then I can add in some lime if I want, or some honey if I prefer something sweetened, but today I won't. I'll just drink it plain. So there we have it, how to make your herbal thyme wellness tea. That was it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you can also use your time to make your own herbal tea. Stay tuned for more videos, and like this video, share it, and stay tuned.